Passing on knowledge, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase, pass on knowledge. This phrase is not just about teaching. It's about the transfer of wisdom, skills, and understanding from one person to another. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your daily English conversations. Pass on knowledge is a phrase that encapsulates the idea of transferring information, skills, or understanding from one individual to another. It's more than just teaching. It's about sharing experiences, insights, and wisdom that can be beneficial for someone else's growth and learning. This phrase often implies a sense of responsibility and care from the person sharing the knowledge. In this section, we'll delve into why passing on knowledge is vital in different aspects of life. It's crucial in educational settings, workplaces, and even in personal relationships. By sharing knowledge, we contribute to the growth of others, preserve important information and traditions, and create a more informed and capable society. This section will help you understand the broader implications of this simple yet powerful phrase. Let's put the phrase into context with some examples. We'll go through sentences like, "My grandfather passed on his knowledge of woodworking to my father," or "Teachers pass on knowledge to their students every day." These examples will help you see how the phrase is used in everyday language and in various situations. Here, we'll talk about how you can pass on your knowledge to others. It's not just about what you know, but how you convey it in a way that's understandable and helpful. We'll cover tips on effective communication, understanding your audience, and being patient and empathetic as a knowledge sharer. I hope this video has been enlightening and has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, pass on knowledge. Remember, each one of us has valuable knowledge to share, and by doing so, we contribute to the growth and development of those around us. Keep passing on your knowledge, and see how you can make a positive impact in someone's life. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next English learning adventure together.